welcome to AlphaCars in Earls, New England. My name is Grisha. I'm going to be showing you around this absolutely wonderful 2007 Ford Mustang Premium. Now, this Mustang is quite a special one because it has lived an absolutely cherished life. It was cared for meticulously by its one and only owner, who bought it brand new in April of 2007. This Mustang is equipped with a lot of options, including the Pony package, the interior upgrade package, as well as the Shaker 500 audio system, as well as some other very, very nice little features. Let's take a look inside of this. You can see that all the trim, everything inside of here is in close to new condition. There's very minimal to no wear on the seats, and that goes for the rear seats and the passenger seat. If I sit down in here, you can see that there is no wear anywhere on this steering wheel. There is also no wear on the shifter handle and the parking brake lever. Let's turn the ignition on. You can see that this car has a aftermarket audio head unit, which is very, very packed with features. It's got Bluetooth, it's got satellite radio, as well as your standard stuff like FM, AM, touchscreen display, DVDs and CDs. And so this car also has the 5-speed automatic transmission, as you can see. And performance-wise, this car has a Flowmaster exhaust, which gives it just enough growl, but not too much. This car is also equipped with a backup camera. If we're looking back here, you can see the backup camera right there. All the wires are neatly tucked, nothing is sticking out. It's a very, very professional job. Here's your little antenna, paint matched and everything. Let's take a look under the hood. Looking under the hood, you see the V6 with a BBK Cold-Air induction air intake. And this car makes all the right noises to be a true driver's car. And saying that, let's give it a start up. The styling of this car is truly something unique, because this car's original styling combined with the Pony package gives it a look that matches the original 50s and 60s Mustang styling, while giving you all the modern amenities of a modern car, which this car is. The beautiful paint on this car has a wonderful metallic in it. This car has a fully clean Carfax, no accidents, nothing like that. As I said, this is a one-owner vehicle. It only has 44,000 miles on it. Could you believe that? 44,000 miles on this absolutely beautiful 07 Mustang. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this car or any other cars on our lot, please give us a call or contact us through our website at www.alphacars.com. This car is currently located at our Boxborough location, but we'll shortly be heading up to our New Hampshire location. It will be located at 108 Lafayette Road in Northampton, New Hampshire. If you have any questions about those cars or anything else, feel free to give us a call. Thank you very much for viewing this video, and have a nice day.